A lot of people ask us, why should we work with IMAGINiT? And my simple answer is because we bring a unique approach to how we solve business problems. We work with organizations from AEC organizations to manufacturing organizations to government agencies to owners. And what that does for us is allows us to bring all the resources of RAND to help them. Whether it's talking about design and construction technology from Autodesk, whether it's talking about simulation tools available from ANSYS, whether it's talking about building custom content through Ascent, or in some cases even talking about other solutions that are outside the Autodesk umbrella, which could be other technologies to help you with support and training on those different solutions. So when you start taking that, and then you add on top of that the technology from Autodesk, Epic Games, Aptura, SDS, other solutions, we can bring the best in breed to fixing a problem. So we don't really care if a product was made for AEC or manufacturing. We're looking to solve your problem.